What's up everyone, it's Anthony from AB Fitness Center. Today we're gonna be making a low-calorie peanut butter. That's right, peanut butter that you can enjoy. If you're a peanut butter fan and you love peanut butter, you know how good it tastes, but you also know how many calories it is and how calorie dense it actually is. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich sounds like it's a really healthy alternative, but it's loaded with calories. So we're gonna make an alternative to that at only 40 calories per serving. So the ingredients you're gonna need some whey protein, vanilla, okay? You're gonna need some Truvia, you're gonna need some salt, you're gonna need some powdered peanut butter, and you're also gonna need some almond milk. So I'm trying to make this fast video for you guys so it's not long and drawn out. So I already measured out my protein here. You're gonna need about 1.5 scoops or about 60 grams of peanut butter. Then we're gonna add in whey protein. Now we're gonna add in 60 grams of powdered peanut butter. So I got my scale here, and I'm sorry you can't see this because I'm recording this by myself, but 60 grams of peanut butter, so I'm actually weighing it out. And I'll show you the powdered peanut butter. So I like powdered peanut butter, and I've made it like this plain too, but this recipe is a lot higher in protein than just the plain peanut butter. So 60 grams. Okay, here we go. So there you go. I got my protein powder, and I got my powdered peanut butter. All right, next we're gonna add in some Truvia. I use Truvia, you can use Splenda, it doesn't matter, they're all the same thing. We'll take about 2 packets of this. So we'll go with 2 packets, should be enough for this. And like I said, you're gonna get about 12 servings, maybe more out of this. So it actually might be a little bit less than 40 calories. All right, so we got that. All right, now we're gonna put some salt. And you're probably asking, well, why do you need salt? Well, first of all, this is iodized salt. Most of us don't get enough iodine from our diet, so it's always good to have some iodized salt. But the reason why we use salt, and we use just a pinch of it, it helps to bring out the flavor. So just put a little bit of salt in there. And there you go. All right, so there you go. So there's the salt and the stevia on top. And what we're gonna mix it with, we're gonna use a fork, okay? So we're gonna sift through the dry ingredients here. Okay, this just helps to mix it pretty good. Now, you're gonna need about 4 ounces of almond milk, okay? So I'm not actually gonna measure this, but it's about 4 ounces ends up being. But we're gonna mix it very slowly into here and start mixing until it gets to the consistency we want. So I'm gonna use my peanut butter, my protein container here as the table, just so you guys can see. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit. So it should be good for now. As you can see, I just added a little bit, and then the mixing. There you go. So if you're a peanut butter fan, like this already smells amazing. So you can see it starts to like get a little bit hard once that liquid's in there. So we need more liquid. But you don't want to put too much. Like if I poured all 4 ounces in here, it'll like become soup. And then it's a peanut butter soup. And that's no bueno. And like I said, it ends up being about 4 ounces of almond milk. This is unsweetened. I use vanilla almond milk. So it's about 30 calories for 8 ounces. So it's a little bit less. So you can see it's starting to get peanut buttery here. But again, I really got to keep mixing it. All right, so I eyeballed out as much almond milk as I need. The next ingredient you're gonna need is actually Greek yogurt. I forgot to mention that earlier. You're gonna need some Greek yogurt in here to give it that thickness. So you need about 120 grams of Greek yogurt. So let's open this up. We need a spoon. All right, so it's 120 grams. I got my scale here. So there you go. So now, this is gonna give it that creamy goodness. There we go. There you go. There you go, look at this. And it gets much easier to mix once you got your about 4 ounces in here. There we go, look at that, guys. Now, if you're a real peanut butter fan, you could actually eat this as a meal. This whole thing, what we just made, has about 500 calories, 89 grams of protein, 28 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of fat. So you can literally put this on some bread and make a really nice sandwich. Mixing it up. And you could actually make this like chunky peanut butter too if you really wanted to, but then you're adding more calories in. You could actually crunch up some peanut butter, some peanuts and put it in here. There we go, but now it's starting to really thicken up. Look at that. Look at that peanut buttery goodness. See, look how thick that is. Now it's perfect. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put it in the fridge, we're gonna let it cool down, and there you go. Low calorie, 40 calories, if you wanna say this, I'm saying this whole thing is gonna give me 12 servings, but you could probably make this last way more, so it'd be less than 40 calories, but there you go, guys. 40 calorie peanut butter. All right, guys, make sure you like this video, comment below if you tried this, and like I said, put this in the fridge, let it harden up, and you're gonna enjoy some low calorie peanut butter. Catch you guys on the next one.